and cycling was a game changer for me. It enhanced my physical strength, stamina, and endurance. From 2018, we started long distance rides. That is comprises of 200, 300, 400, 600 kilometer in one calendar year. I did such 6 rides continuously for 6 years till 2024, and I also did Goa to Pondicherry and Goa to Rameshwaram rides. And cycling has improved my physical and mental abilities, and I also encourage people, young and old, to get into cycling.
एक म्हयन्याक भितर म्हागेलें आख्खें सगळें म्हागेलें कोलेस्ट्रॉल सारको नॉर्मल जालो. ताका लागून हांव हॅप्पी जालो आनी हांव सायकलिंग स्टार्ट करपाक लागलो. मागीर मदीं कोवीड आयलो, कोवीड 2020. कोविडाक हांव मडगांव आयलो. मडगांव म्हाका खुबशे आमचे व्हडले सायक्लिस्ट मेळ्ळे, सामके रती महारथी सायक्लिस्ट मेळ्ळे, आनी आमचे प्रो पॅडलर सायकलिंग क्लब म्हणून ते क्लबाक हांव जॉयन जालो. आतां हांव त्या क्लबाचो मॅनेजींग कमिटी आसा. आनी कमिटी आसल्या कारणान अशें जालें कितें, जो आमचो प्रो पॅडलर सायकलिंग क्लब आसा तो सायकलिंग क्लब एक सामको विख्यात क्लब आसा. तूं एक फावटी त्या ग्रुपा भितर जॉयन जालो, तूं SR म्हणटा तें कंप्लीट करपाकूच जाय तुवें. SR म्हणल्यार अशें आसा, लॉंग डिस्टन्स सायकलिंग. हितून भितर कितें आसा, 200, 300, 400 आनी 600 किलोमिटर तुवें एक कॅलेंडर इयरान करपाक जाय. अशें हांवें 3 SR केल्यात आनी 2 LRM केल्यात, जी गोवा टू कन्याकुमारी आनी गोवा टू रामेश्वरम ही 1200 किलोमिटराची सायकलिंग आसा.
We started with small rides like 15 to 30 kilometers, gradually increased to 100 kilometers. Like cycling was a game changer for me. It enhanced my strength and stamina and endurance.
I'm a 2-time super entrepreneur and a 2-time LRM finisher, which is a 1200 kilometer ride from Goa to Kanyakumari. And I'm also a daily rider. I ride daily, which is actually my bigger achievement.
Cycling every day. I do every day almost 50 kilometers, starting as early as 5 o'clock in the morning. And like I said, the main motivation is to keep myself fit and healthy. And it really tests one's determination, willpower, and yes, that's the way it should be done. So my message for you all is ride safe, ride strong, and of course ride with joy.